Ok, Claudia, so vamos a ver, voy a entrar como tú, eh? This is the email that you should put in here, and this is the password. Okay, so now we're logged into the course. Here is your learning path. So when I click here, I see that you completed Unit 1 of the Getting Started module. Okay, Getting Started module. So each unit, or each module rather, has 3 units. Okay, so you did a great job. You can see right here, you completed 11 of the 11 units, and you completed it. Okay, so you close that, and then that takes you back here to your page, and this is your overall course completion, and this is the score that you got. Okay, so basically where we are now is all of these units were for last week, and this is what we're working on this week. Okay, this is module the second module. This is understanding speaking, maximizing interaction, and so this was what I meant. I misspoke when I told you that you check module 1. This was the first module. That is correct. Okay, so this was the second module in our course. Okay, so what I would prefer is that you can start participating in the forums. Here's our forum area. Okay, this is the forums. This is our forum area. So what I would prefer is that you try to finish these units first and then participate in the forum. So to participate in the forum, very easy. This was our discussion from last week, and this is our discussion from this week. You very simply click on the title of the discussion. Read my instructions. Okay, these are my instructions. And then make a post. And so here you would click reply. Okay, and then type your answer. As you can see, your teammates have already been participating. So we would love to see what you have to share. Okay, so you simply go back on your browser, and then that takes you right back to where you were. Okay, so once again, these are our module. These are the units that you need to complete, and this is our forum area. Hope that helps.